crayons. Today we're going to start our very own Jen Stark inspired drippy art. So you're going to need a paper, a pencil, and for the coloring part you can use whatever. You can use markers, crayons, or if you have pastels or paint, that's fine too, or colored pencils. So the way that we're going to start is you can turn your paper either way, so long ways or short ways. I mean, long or tall, that's what I mean. So I'm going to turn my paper, I'll go wide today. So when I'm doing that, I'm going to be doing my first drip, and I'm drawing in marker so you can see better, but you guys can start it in pencil to make sure you like your drips. So I'm going to do my smallest, like, top drip first. So I'm going to start small at the top and think about things that are drippy, like maple syrup or paint that's spilling and dripping out. So I have my first one, and then I'm gonna do the second one following that, and it gets kind of bigger. So if you want to continue with this and fill up your whole paper, you can, or you can make like a separate kind of drip if that makes sense for yours. So maybe I'll have like a second drip kind of over here. So I'm thinking by having these two different drips, I can do like a black and white drip, I can do a rainbow colored one. So I'm going to do maybe one more for this one. Alright, so I'm going to do black and white for the small one. I don't want to kill my marker off, so I'm going to switch to black crayon. Crayons are fine, paint is fine, whatever you decide to color your drips with is okay with me. And you can choose to do either black and white for the whole thing, or you can do color for the whole thing, or you can do both like I am. So I'm doing this smaller drip in black and white. So for the next part, I'm going to do it in rainbow colors. So when I'm doing a rainbow, I can start with any color really. Like you can do a typical rainbow like red, orange, yellow, green, blue, but you want to have some colors that kind of fade into each other. So if you wanted to start with blue, maybe you could do blue and then purple and then red, orange, yellow. So whatever you start with, maybe continue the rainbow afterwards. So for this one, maybe I'll do it in paint because I have paint available, and I'm fine with any kind of colors that you'd like to do for this. So I'm going to start mine with purple, my favorite color. Your drippy artwork done and cut out. Make sure that on the back of it you write your name and you write your class or your homeroom teacher, whatever's easier. So then if I can get these back to you, I will. But yeah, so these look really cool. and if you are able to drop them off to me, that would be even cooler to have them be all together.